Alberto.
Ciao Don.
Introduce yourself.
So, I'm Alberto Busettini. I'm a friend of Don. I'm a musician from Italy and from Friuli, where Don was this year in May. I took with me this wonderful cheese from my valley. That's a small valley in Friuli, Valcanale, on the border with Austria and Slovenia, and really famous for this Montasio cheese. Nativa Valcanale, they made this up on the mountains, so with the cow that stays higher than 800 meters, and eat the fresh herbs there, and then with that milk they made different brand of these cheeses.
And the challenge tonight is we have 4 wines from Collio, and we're going to see which of these wines pairs best with this cheese that we have in front of us. So let's start with the Sauvignon. Very good. Very nice, very clean, lots of minerals. So let's try a little bit of this cheese with it and see what we think here. Well, okay, but I think the cheese overwhelms the wine.
Yes.
We'll move on to the Ribolla Gialla. Ribolla Gialla, as I said, has a lot of fruit. Fruit and good acidity, so the good acidity should match very well with the fatness of the cheese. So let's see how this goes with the cheese then.
I think it's working better than before, but still it's not what we expect. Eh?
No, exactly right. The next one is
Milano il Carpino.
This is a wonderful producer in the Oslavia region.
I didn't know about it.
And the interesting thing about this wine is that they make it the traditional way. They actually take these white grapes, I think they destem them, but they put them in, in a vat.
Yeah.
And they let them sit there for 5 days at ambient temperature. And so the skins, the juice extracts a lot of material out of the skins. Well, I like the nose. It's almost straw and hay-like, and maybe it'll go with this cheese.
I think so. Let's see.
I think it's a pretty good pairing.
Yes,
I like that.
and it's quite common also to match this white wine Friulano with cheese and maybe some prosciutto di Daniele and toast bread. So what we find, it's really that this wine has the good combination.
Now we're going to go to the only red we have, because Collio actually doesn't make many red wines, right?
Yeah.
A few. And this one is made by Marco Felluga. Refosco del Peduncolo Rosso is
Quite a name, eh?
yeah, quite a name. Refosco is the name of the grape of the red branch. Is that what that means?
Peduncolo, I don't know how to translate this.
I think it means a stem.
Yes,
it has a red stem.
Yes,
I believe that's what that means. Yeah. Very nice. Clean, really well done. Nice. It's not a heavy wine. Right?
Yes.
It's quite. It's sort of medium weight.
Yes.
But very nice wine. I like this a lot. Good. So what do you think?
I think it's working
Yeah.
pretty well.
I think it works very well. You have pieces of music that you play on the harpsichord that you would think would go better with one of these wines.
I think with this white wine can be some Mozart, that it's really fresh and bright and a lot of clarity in what is happening with the voices.
Right, right.
Maybe this one can be on harpsichord François Couperin. That seems simple, that seems standard, but if you look inside each bar, you have so many details.
So it's much more complex.
Yes,
than
complexity,
yeah.
of course.
So you have to think about it.
Yeah, and this red wine can be some early Beethoven. I think it's not the Beethoven looking really forward, but still you can see there are some ground, some starting of romantic thinking. So some early sonatas that really are looking forward.
Interesting.
New music.